drive. Jeep Cherokee is going to take us to Jeep country.
Welcome back, everybody, to this episode of SYKESVILLE STANGS. Today we're bringing you the 2017 Jeep Cherokee four-wheel drive. It's coming to you next in this episode of SYKESVILLE STANGS. Alright, so we're back at Buchanan Kia. Shout out to Buchanan Kia in Kaheen in Westminster, Maryland. All of their information will be down in the description below. So, today we have this 2017 Jeep Cherokee four-wheel drive.
This Jeep Cherokee is going to take us to Jeep country.
Starting here with the interior, you have your small screen infotainment system, radio. Just give you a sample of how that sounds. Well, you won't hear nothing on that.
Oh, Daddy.
You do have your compass. Here's your climate control, different modes. It is push screen, as you can see. Pretty responsive. You can adjust your climate using this touch screen here, or you can use this knob right here. Do you have phone? No phone to pair. Media, and you have more settings right here. Clock, display, voice, safety and assistance, auto comfort, and things of that nature. Your emergency button. Down here you have your volume knob. You can actually turn the screen off, which is a good feature. And you can also push it to turn it back on. Here's your traction control. Auto off when you're in traffic. The engine will shut off. Take your foot off the brake, the engine will start back up, and you'll be on your way. This will take you back to whatever you are doing here on the infotainment system. Here's your tuner right here. So let's put it on something we're familiar with.
Oh, Daddy.
How about that? We're gonna do that. Okay. Got your rear defroster, front defroster. Here's your climate control here. Speeds right here, as I showed you before. Circulation of air, AC, which we needed today. Here is your SD card reader. You have an auxiliary port, USB port, and your 12-volt direct current there. Here's your select track, select terrain. I forgot which, some other vehicle has select track. I don't remember, but anyway. For the Jeep, you just turn the knob here. There's no traditional gear lever where you can manually shift it in 4 low and 4 high. Here you just select what kind of terrain you're going to be on. Automatic for normal driving conditions. You got your sport mode, snow mode, sand and mud, and that's pretty much it. I'm not sure what speed transmission this is. I will have all that information and put it in the description below, or you will see something pop up across the screen. You do not have a rear camera, so you have to use the old traditional methods. Turn your head, get your neck strong, or use your mirrors or your rear view mirror. You do have manual shifting. You can slap it in to the left and shift it to however many gears it has. You got your pull brake here. No traditional brake lever. A couple cup holders right here. It does look like there's a little ring around here where it illuminates. I cannot test that theory because it is too light out. Here you have your glove box with another USB port, some coin holders there, and another 12-volt direct current cigarette lighter thingy. My bob.
Daddy.
Okay, going up here, I'm not sure what this is, but it does pop up. What that is for, maybe more compartment space. Does look like you have a speaker here, there, and to your right. Your glove box is right here. Okay, coming over here to your steering wheel. Horn is really loud. You have all your traditional controls on the steering wheel. Things where you can control the infotainment system, telephone, cruise control, things of that nature. There is something here on the higher models. You got the Since 1941 etched into the steering wheel. Here's a look at your instrument cluster, which looks like to go to about 6,900 RPMs. You can see your speed. This particular model has only 16,787 miles. We got half a tank of gas, which is good, but not good because we can't drive it.
Daddy.
You do have your automatic daylights, automatic daytime running lights, and they will automatically come on when the environment warrants the situation. You have your instrument cluster, how bright you want it. Can't really tell the difference during the day. You only have one automatic window, and that's for the driver. Everyone else will have to hold the button. Your mirror adjustments here for the left and right. Lock your doors. I don't see any. Okay, I see a feature for the kids not playing with the windows, but I don't see anything up here to stop them from opening the door. Maybe it's something in the back. Your foot latch is under here. Took me a minute to find that, but you should see it right there. Your gas button is also in a weird location, but while we're here, you do have another space, compartment space for, you know, a cup or water bottle. There's your gas button right there. Stepping outside of the vehicle, you can see you have these cloth seats with the white stitching. They look very easy to clean. I do like that denim look, if that's what you can kind of call it, like a gray denim look. Plenty of space in the back here for 2.5 kids.
Daddy.
You have a nice little compartment here to store things. You have vents in the back right there. Just a small hump right here in the middle to get over, not too bad. Pull that down, you have a couple cup holders and an armrest back here for your rear passengers. Airbags are right here within the seat. Your roll handles are right there. You do have a roof rack right there, and Sirius XM is available on this vehicle as well. This does come with a 90-day, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. The 2017 Jeep Cherokee Sport. You do have a dealer warranty. If you need to know more about the dealer warranty, just contact Kahim or any sales associate and they will be glad to help you. This Jeep is riding on Continentals at 255 60 18s, 4-wheel disc brakes all around. Dual exhaust. Rear reflectors on the bumper. The bumper does not match the color of the vehicle. It is plastic. There's a little button right here underneath with the tailgate. You just push that in and that gives you access to the rear of the vehicle. Those seats do fold down. This does come off. I don't know what it's for. You have another 12-volt DC battery outlet here. Some lights there on both left and right. You got some hooks here for hanging or hooking whatever. I'm not sure what that is. Okay. But you do have some cargo space down in here. Compartment space down in there. Pull this up. There's another little storage area. And pull this up. And there's your spare. Your spare is 165 80 17. Gas tank is right here on the passenger side. So yeah, overall this is a nice, I'm going to call it like a charcoal silver Cherokee. It's available now here at Buchanan Kia in Westminster, Maryland. That is 119 Railroad Avenue, Westminster, Maryland 21157. So that is about all I can tell you about this vehicle. The key fob, you do have remote start. Push this button here twice and she will start on her own. I will demonstrate. It's a cool feature. I haven't had remote start on... Damn.
The truck.
The Stinger wasn't remote start. The Lexus wasn't remote start.
Your truck.
My truck. Yes. My 2000 Dodge Ram, which is no longer around, did have remote start. So I have had one remote start vehicle in my life. It's a nice feature, especially when it's cold outside or even hot and you already have the climate set. Click the button twice and I think it runs, you can probably adjust it, but it probably runs for like 10 or 15 minutes before it automatically shuts off. And very nice feature. I do like that. I do miss that. Alright, so if you're new around here, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for our 810 subscribers that we currently do have. We do appreciate your support. Leave a comment below on what you think about this 2017 Jeep Cherokee. Would you buy it? Would you lift it? Things of that nature. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next one, and y'all be easy. Peace.
Jeep Cherokee. We wrote the book on four-wheel drive.
Oh, Daddy.